Welcome back to Vehicle Inspector. Prepare to be blown away by this incredible 2025 model. Official computer images have been leaked online, providing an exciting glimpse into the future. Recent spy photos have unveiled important information about this renowned automobile. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 comes with several updates that build on its already competitive position in the electric vehicle (EV) market. This electric SUV is known for blending affordability with modern features, targeting rivals like the Tesla Model Y and Hyundai Kona electric. For 2025, the Atto 3 gains enhancements in both tech and design, with BYD focusing on providing better value by increasing the size of the infotainment screen and improving battery efficiency. A key upgrade is the 15.8-inch multimedia touchscreen that rotates between portrait and landscape modes, offering more versatility and ease of use compared to its predecessor's 12.8-inch display. Standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now part of the package, improving connectivity options. Visually, the 2025 Atto 3 remains largely the same, with only minor changes to its rear badge, replacing the Build Your Dreams lettering with a simpler BYD logo. A new exterior color, Cosmos Black, has also been added to the lineup, maintaining the SUV's sleek but understated look. Inside, the Atto 3 offers unique styling, including quirky design elements like guitar string door pockets. New interior color combinations, such as black and blue for certain exterior models, have been introduced. The cabin also benefits from its large touchscreen and a smooth infotainment experience, although some physical controls are limited. The vehicle offers comfortable seating for 5 and a decent amount of cargo space, 440 liters, expandable to 1,340 liters with the rear seats folded. The Atto 3 comes in 2 battery options. The standard range model is equipped with a 49.92 kilowatt-hour battery, offering up to 345 kilometers WLTP, while the extended range model packs a 60.48 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering a longer range of 420 kilometers. These mileage figures make the Atto 3 suitable for both city commutes and longer road trips. The price for the 2025 Atto 3 is expected to start around $44,000 for the standard range and $47,500 for the extended range, before any on-road costs. These figures keep it competitive with other EVs in its category, making it an affordable option for those entering the electric vehicle market. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is expected to continue its global rollout, with key markets including Europe, Australia, and Southeast Asia. BYD's success with the Atto 3 in these regions has solidified its position as a major player in the EV industry. The vehicle is likely to hit most global markets by mid to late 2025.